Good morning. Now we will start chapter 2, fractions and decimals. First we will see about fractions. Fractions can be classified into three types, namely proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. One by one we will study. First we will start with proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of a whole. What does it mean is, here I want to give some examples for proper fraction. For example, 5 by 7, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 1 by 2, 3 by 7, like that, etc. So here you can see this is numerator and this is the denominator. For a proper fraction, always the numerator must be smaller than the denominator. Okay. If this condition is satisfied, then it is called as proper fraction. Okay. Next thing I want to say is, what is that number in the numerator mean and what is the number in the denominator mean? For example, color 5 by 8 of a circle. Okay, 5 by 8. Here numerator is less than the denominator, so it is a proper fraction. Now take a circle. Okay, take a circle. First see what is in the denominator, that is 8. Split the circle into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. Okay, the main thing is all the parts should be equal. So color 5 by 8 of a circle. Out of that 8, you have to color only 5. That is, you can take any 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So 5 by 8 is, out of the 8 parts, you are coloring 5 out of it. This is what mean by 5 by 8 of a circle. Main thing to note here is all the parts should be equal. The next one example is, eat 2 by 5 of a chocolate. So I am drawing a rectangular shape. It need not be circle always. Okay. Main thing is, while splitting up that 5, the 5 parts should be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total part is 5. Out of that, you have to eat only 2 part. So 1, 2. So 2 by 5 can be drawn like this also. The same 2 by 5, if you want to represent in a circle, draw a circle and split into 5 equal parts. Out of that, you are representing 2. So shade any 2. Okay, in whichever way you want, you can represent. So in proper fraction, the main thing is numerator should be less than the denominator. While drawing, see what is the number in the denominator. So split into equal parts and shade whatever it is in the numerator. Now we will understand, proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of a whole. This is the whole. Okay, out of that whole, it represents only part of that. So this is called proper fraction. The next type is improper fraction. Improper fraction is a combination of whole and a proper fraction. Improper fraction is a combination of whole and a proper fraction. What is that? Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. In previous case, in proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. Now here are the examples: 8 by 3, 7 by 5 and 5 by 2. Okay, in all these cases, numerator is greater than the denominator. Now if you want to represent improper fraction in mixed fraction, what does that mean? This is 8 by 3. Okay, that is 3, here it is 8. Now what you will do? 2, that is equal to 2 by 3. This is called mixed fraction. Okay, all improper fraction can be written in mixed fraction also. So improper fraction can be written as mixed fraction. Okay, this is improper fraction and this is mixed fraction. So now it is 7 by 5. 7 by 5, how we will write? 5, 7, 5 ones of 5, remainder is 2. Okay, this 1 is represent the whole part, whole thing, and this 2 will be there and here 5 will be there. Okay, so improper fraction can be represented in mixed fraction also. So here what does that mean? Improper fraction is a combination of whole and the proper fraction. Where is the whole? This is the whole. This is the whole number. 2 is a whole and here 1 is the whole. And the proper fraction. Where is the proper fraction? 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. Here 2 by 5 is the proper fraction. Suppose I want to draw and show how something for 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2, numerator is greater, so it is a improper fraction. Let me divide 2, 7, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. So 7 by 2, that is equal to 3 1 by 2. Okay, now how I will represent 3 1 by 2? Anyway, either a rectangle or square, any shape you can take. So 3 is a whole. Whatever shape you are taking, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the whole thing, and one more is 1 by 2 of the same shape. So this is 1, 2, 3. This 3 is representing this 3. And what is 1 by 2? Out of this fourth, you are shading only, out of this 2, you are shading only 1. Okay. The next example we can take 8 by 3. This is a improper fraction that can be represented as 2 by 3. Okay, for this 2 I am drawing 2 circles, and for this 2 by 3 I am splitting this third one into 3 equal parts, because the denominator is 3. 3 equal parts, I have to shade 2 of that. 1, 2 and these 2. Okay, we will start with example 1. Write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5. What is called equivalent fractions? What is equivalent fraction is, in a fraction, if we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, then it is called as equivalent fraction. Let me try one. 3 by 5 is there, which is given. Okay, to this 3 by 5, I am multiplying 2 by the same number in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, then what is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Okay, so 3 by 5 and 6 by 10 are equivalent. Okay, here you see 6 by 10. If you cancel, 2 multiplied by 3, and here it is 5. Okay, so here 3 by 5 in a fraction, if you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, then we get the equivalent to that. So 3 by 5 is equal to 6 by 10. Okay, we will give some more examples. 3 by 5 equal to, multiplied by, now I am going to divide by 3, that is 9 by 15. 3 by 5 equal to, multiplied by 4, 12 by 20. 3 by 5 equal to, 3 by 5 I am multiplying 5 on numerator and denominator, that is 15 by 25. Okay, next 3 by 5 I am multiplying by 6, this is 18 by 30. Therefore 3 by 5 is same as 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20, 15 by 25, 18 by 30, and it will go on. Okay, these are called equivalent fractions. One thing you have to remember in this, in a fraction, if you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, then it is called the equivalent to it. Example 2, Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4 by of it. Who solved lesser part? So Ramesh solved 2 by 7 part of an exercise. In the exercise there may be some problems. Out of that 2 by 7 part is solved by Ramesh. Seema solved 4 by 5 of it. So now we have to find who solved lesser part. So we have to find which is lesser out of these two. One thing we have to remember, whenever you do addition, subtraction or comparison with fractions, the denominator should be same. Okay, why? Because you see is 2 by 7. Okay, this 2 by 7 if I want to represent like this, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this 2 by 7 is this part. Then what is this 4 by 5? This is 2 by 7. Okay, what is this 4 by 5? If I take the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4 by 5. Okay, now I can't compare this smaller box with this bigger box. So from this two figure with the shaded part, I cannot say which is bigger and which is smaller. So always while doing comparison, addition, subtraction, the denominator should be the same. Okay, now what we can do to make the denominator same? The only thing is you have to take LCM. Okay, what is LCM? Least common multiple. So what are the two numbers? 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. Okay, now we have to take LCM for the denominator, 7 and 5. 7 ones are 7, 5, 5 ones are 5, 5. So LCM is 7 multiplied by 5, that is 35. Okay, now what you should do is, here it is 2 by 7. Okay, to this 2 by 7 you have to convert such that you have to change this both the denominators to be 35. Okay, now first thing you have to take LCM for this denominator, that is 35. Now we have to change this 7 to 35. Just now we studied the whatever number you multiplied by the numerator and denominator, the same number, this is the equivalent to that. So 2 by 7. So 7 multiplied by 5. If I multiplied the denominator by 5, the numerator also I should multiply it by 5. So this is 10. So 2 by 7 and 10 by 35 are equivalent. That is, instead of 2 by 7, you can substitute 10 by 35. Similarly, for this 4 by 5. 4 by 5, I have to change the denominator as 35. So 5 multiplied by 7, 4 multiplied by 7, now 28. Now we can easily compare. One thing is 10 by 35. What is that? Ramesh solved 10 by 35 of an exercise and Seema solved 28 by 35 of an exercise. You can take out of 35 questions, Ramesh solved 10 questions. In Seema case, out of 35 questions, Seema solved 28 questions. Now it is easy to tell. Now denominator are same, you should compare the numerator. This is lesser and this is bigger. Who solved lesser part? Means Ramesh solved lesser part. Okay, the main thing you should note here is, while doing addition, subtraction or comparison with fractions, the denominator should be same. Only if the parts are equal, then only you can compare it. Okay, to make the parts equal, the only thing you should do is you have to take LCM of the denominator. By taking LCM, you can convert into their equivalent fractions. So now the denominator will become the same. So you can compare the number in the numerator. and then you can say which is bigger or which is smaller. Next problem. Samira purchased 3 1/2 kg apples and 4 3/4 kg oranges. What is the total weight of the fruit purchased? So, total weight, what is the total weight? Just you have to add 3 1/2 plus 4 3/4. This is in mixed fraction. Now we have to convert, okay, convert into improper fraction. So, 3 multiplied by 2, 6 plus 1, 7/2 plus this is 4 multiplied by 16 plus 3, 19/4. Again you see here you have to add these two fractions, but the denominators are different. So, to make the denominator same, you have to take LCM to the numbers in the denominator. So, I am going to take LCM 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then 2, 1. So, LCM is 4. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Now, I have to find the equivalent fractions of that. 7/2, that is equal to this 2 in the denominator, I need to change as 4. So, what I should do? I should multiply it by 2 in the numerator and the denominator. Okay. Now, 14/4, that is equal to, from this step, instead of this 7/2, I can substitute this 14/4. 14/4 plus, already here the new denominator is 4, LCM is also 4. So, I can keep that as it is, 19/4. Now, the denominators are same. Now, I have to add, that is 4, 14 plus 19. Okay, what is 14 plus 19? 33/4. Okay, this is an improper fraction. That thing you want to change, you can change into mixed fraction, which is 8 1/4 kg. Okay, while doing addition, the denominator should be same. To make the denominator same, take LCM, find their equivalent fractions, keep the denominator as it is, and add the numbers in the numerator. Then this is an improper fraction, and then convert into a mixed fraction. Next problem is, Suman studies for 5 2/3 hours daily. She devotes 2 4/5 hours of her time for science and mathematics. How much time does she devote for her other subject? So, total time to study is 5 2/3. 5 2/3, that is equal to this 15 plus 2, 17/3 hours. Okay, this is the total time of studying. Out of that, she devotes 2 4/5 hours of her time to study science and maths. So, time to study science and maths is 2 4/5, that is 14/5 hours. Okay, this is the total time she used to study daily. Out of that, she is spending 14/5 hours to science and maths. In the remaining time, she is studying the other subjects. So, time to study other subjects. What you have to do? This is the total time she is studying. This is for science and maths. Remaining you have to subtract and see. That is 17/3 minus 14/5. Okay. Now, again you see the denominators are different. You have to take LCM. 5 and 3, the LCM is 15. Okay, whenever there is no common factor between these, then just you can multiply. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. If there is some common factor, you have to do LCM. So, then 17/3, the denominator you have to change as 15. So, you have to multiply it by 5. Okay, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, 17 multiplied by 5 is 85. Okay, next is 14 divided by 5, that is equal to this 5 you have to change as 15. So multiplied by 3. 14 multiplied by 3 is 42. Okay. So instead of this 17 by 3, I can substitute 85 by 15 minus, instead of this 14 by 5, I can substitute 42 by 15. That is equal to 85 minus 42 by 15, that is equal to 43 by 15 hours. 43 by 15 hours, if you want to represent in mixed fraction, that is equal to 213 by 15 hours. Okay. So we solved all the examples. The main thing you remember is, whenever you do comparisons, addition, subtraction and fraction, the main thing is the denominator should be same. So take LCM to make the denominator same, then you can proceed with that. I will start with exercise 2.1. First is solve. That is 2 minus 3 by 5. So this can be written as 2 divided by 1 minus 3 by 5. Okay. If it is 2, it means that is 2 by 1. Denominator is 1. So you can see here, now it is 1 here and it is 5 here. So to make the denominator same, you have to take LCM. LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. So LCM is 5. Now 2 by 1, we have to change the denominator 1 into 5. Okay, multiplied by 5 in the numerator and the denominator. 1 5s are 5, here it is 10. Okay, now 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Instead of this 2 by 1, you can write 10 by 5 minus, since the denominator has a 5 already, so you can write it directly, that is 3 by 5. That is equal to 10 minus 3 by 5, that is 7 by 5. Okay. The next problem is 4 plus 7 by 8. The next problem is 4 plus 7 by 8, that is 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. LCM is 8. Now this 4 by 1, the denominator I want to change as 8. So 1 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 8, that is, here it is 32. Therefore 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8, that is equal to, instead of this 4 by 1, I can substitute 32 by 8 plus 7 by 8, that is equal to 39 divided by 8. If you want to write in mixed fraction, you can write, which is 4 7 by 8. Okay. The next is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Now we have to take LCM of 7 and 5, which is LCM is 35. Okay. So 3 by 5 equal to, I want to change 5 as 35. 5 multiplied by 7 and 3 multiplied by 7, here it is 21. And 2 by 7, I can write, here it is 35. So 7 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10 here. Now I want to add 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7, that is equal to, instead of this 3 by 5, I can do 21 by 35 plus 10 by 35, which is equal to 31 by 35. Okay. The next problem is fourth problem, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Here also denominators are different, 11 and 15. So you have to take LCM of 11 and 15. If you multiply 11 multiplied by 15, that is equal to 165. Now 9 by 11 equal to, here I want to change as 165. So 11 multiplied by 15 is 165. So 11 I multiplied by 15, 9 multiplied by 15. So 9 multiplied by 15 is 135. Next one is 4 divided by 15, that is equal to, here it is 165. So 15 multiplied by 11. 15 multiplied by 11 is 165. So 4 multiplied by 11 is 44. Okay, now 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Instead of this 9 by 11, I can substitute 135 divided by 165 minus for 4 by 15 I can substitute 44 divided by 165. So the answer is 91 divided by 165. Okay. Next is, here you can see there are 3 numbers. So 10, 5 and 2 which are different. So take LCM 10, 5 and 2. So 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is, 2 1s are 1. So next 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So LCM is 10. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. The first term already has a 10 in the denominator, so you can keep it as it is. So 2 by 5 I want to change the denominator as 10. So multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 by 10. Next is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, so multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So 3 multiplied by 5 is, here it is 15. Therefore 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 7 by 10 I can keep it plus, instead of this 2 by 5 I can substitute 4 by 10 plus, instead of this 3 by 2 I can substitute 15 by 10. Now we can see the denominator is 10. In the numerator it is 7 plus 4 plus 15, that is equal to 26 by 10. That is equal to 26 by 10. So if you want to cancel it, you can do, that is 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 13 by 5. Okay, if you want to write in mixed fraction, it is 2 3 by 5. You can check this. Problem 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. First change into improper fraction, that is 8 by 3. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 plus, that is 7 by 2. Okay. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Okay. So this 8 by 3 I want to change it as 6. So I want to multiply 2 here with the same 2 multiplying here. So this is 16 by 6. Now 7 by 2. Here it should be 6. 2 multiplied by 3 and 7 multiplied by 3. So this is 21. So 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Instead of 8 by 3, I can write 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6. That is equal to 16 plus 21 divided by 6. That is equal to 37 divided by 6. That is equal to 6 1 by 6. Okay. Next is 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. First we have to convert into improper fraction. This is 17 by 2 minus 29 by 8. Here it is 2 and here it is 8. If you take LCM of 2 and 8, 2 1s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then again it is 2 2s are 4. So LCM is 8. Okay. Now this 17 by 2, the denominator I have to change as 8. So multiplied by 4. 17 multiplied by 4 is 68. So 17 by 2 minus 29 by 8, that is equal to, instead of 17 by 2 I can substitute 68 by 8 minus 29 by 8. Okay, 68 minus 29, that is 39 divided by 8, that is equal to 4 7 by 8. Okay, that is here 68 minus 29 by 8. 68 minus 29 is 39. If you divide, you will get this 4 7 by 8. Next is arrange the following in descending order: 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. Okay, the first thing you have to see, the denominators are different, so you can't compare this. So first you have to take LCM for this 9, 3 and 21. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, here it is 7. So LCM is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, that is 63. Okay, the first is 2 by 9. 2 by 9 have to change to denominator as 63. So multiplied by 7, which is 14 divided by 63. Next is 2 by 3, so it is 63. Okay, from here also you can get, you see here I want to get 63 here, 9, 3 3s are 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So 9 multiplied by 7 is 63. Now it is 3. So here 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So 3 multiplied by 21 is 63. So 3 multiplied by 21 is 63. So here 2 multiplied by 21 is 42. The next is 8 divided by 21. So already 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. This is 21 multiplied by 3 is 63. So we have to multiply it by 3 now. 21 multiplied by 3 is 60. So 8 multiplied by is 24. Now here, now we can compare 14, what are they? 14 by 63, 42 by 63, 24 by 63. Now we have to write in the descending order. First is, so 42 by 63, biggest number first, 42 by 63, 24 by 63 and 14 by 63. Okay, now we have to replace with whatever it is in the question. 42 by 63 is 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 is bigger when compared to 24 by 63. 24 by 63 is 8 by 21, which is bigger when compared to 14 by 63, which is 2 by 9. Okay, this is the way you have to do. First take LCM and change, make the denominator same, and then compare. Problem is 1 by 5, 3 by 7 and 7 by 10. The same thing you have to arrange in descending order. The denominators you have to take LCM, 5, 7 and 10. So it is 5, then 7 and 2. So this is 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So 14 multiplied by 5, that is 70. Okay. So now 1 by 5, that is equal to, which is 70. Now we can say here is 5. So 5 multiplied by is 14 is 70. 5 multiplied by 14 is 70. So 1 multiplied by 14 is 14. Now 3 by 7. So 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. Next is 7 by 10. That is 70. 10 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. The three numbers are 14 by 70, 30 by 70 and 49 by 70. Now we compare here 49 by 70 is the bigger. So 49 by 70, 30 by 70, 14 by 70. This is the order. So replace by the question 7 by 10. So instead of 30 by 70, 3 by 7 and 14 by 70, that is 1 by 5. Okay. So in a magic square, the sum of numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Now we have to check whether this square is a magic square. So you have to add each row, column and diagonal. First we will start with, here you can see all the denominators are same. So first we will start with row 4 plus 9 plus 2 by 11. That is 15 by 11. That is this first row. Now the second row 3 plus 5 plus 7 by 11. That is 15 by 11. Third row 8 plus 1 plus 6 by 11. That is 15 by 11. Now we have come column wise, 4 plus 3 plus 8 by 11. 15 by 11. Okay. Now second column, 9 plus 5 plus 1, that is equal to 15 by 11. 2 plus 7 plus 6 by 11, that is 15 by 11. So the first 3 is row wise, the next 3 is column wise. Now we have to do for diagonal. 4 plus 5 plus 6, 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 11, that is equal to 15 by 11. Next this 2 plus 5 plus 8, 2 plus 5 plus 8 by 11, that is equal to 15 by 11. Okay, so all the rows, if we add row, column and diagonal, all are same, that is equal to 15 by 11. So this is a magic square. This is a magic square. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So here I have drawn a rectangular sheet with length is 12 1 by 2 centimeter and this is the width or breadth, which is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter. So perimeter, what is perimeter is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay, perimeter is, we have to find the total length of this lines 1 2 3 4. If you add all the lines, you will get what is called the perimeter. Okay, so it is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So that is equal to 2 multiplied by, what is this length is 12 1 by 2 plus what is breadth 10 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 multiplied by, this is 25 by 2 plus this is 32 by 3. Again the denominators are different. So instead of 25 by 2, the LCM is 6. LCM is 6. So 2 multiplied by 3, 25 multiplied by 3, 75 by 6. Next is 32 divided by 3, that is equal to, here it is 6, 3 multiplied by 2, 32 multiplied by 2, that is 64. Now perimeter. So what is this perimeter? Perimeter equal to 2 multiplied by, instead of 25 by 2, I can substitute 75 by 6 plus 32 by 3, I can substitute 64 by 6, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 75 plus 64 divided by 6, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 139 divided by 6. Okay, 2 multiplied by 139 divided by 6. Now here you can cancel this, 2 ones are 2 and 2 3 here, that is equal to 139 divided by 3 centimeter. So perimeter is 139 divided by 3. What is perimeter is, if you add this 4 length, this plus this plus this plus this, then that is called perimeter. So this is a formula, 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Just you can substitute and you can solve this. Find the perimeters of ABE, and the second is rectangular BCDE. So what is this ABE? ABE is a triangle. So perimeter of, you have to find perimeter of ABE, that is equal to, what is ABE? This triangle is ABE. Now we have to add this plus this plus this, that is 5 by 2, that is AB, that is AB plus, what is this? BE plus AE. Okay, if you add this 3, this plus this plus this is the perimeter of ABE. So this is 5 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 3 3 by 5, that is equal to 5 by 2, this is 4, that is 11 by 4, this is 18 by 5. Now the denominators are different, so you have to take LCM for that. 2 4 and 5, this is 5. So LCM is 20. Okay, now you see here 5 by 2, that is equal to, here it is 20, so multiplied by 10, so it becomes 50. The next is 11 by 4. 11 by 4 multiplied by 5. The numerator it is 55. And the third is 18 by 5, that is equal to 5 here it is 20. So 18 multiplied by 4 is 72. Now you have to add perimeter equal to, instead of this 5 by 2, that is 50 by 20 plus 55 by 20 plus 72 by 20, that is equal to 50 plus 55 plus 72 is 177 by 20. Okay, if you want to write in mixed fraction, it is 817 by 20 centimeter. Okay, now the next thing is you have to find what is the perimeter of BCDE, that is BCDE. So here is a rectangle BCDE. You have to find the perimeter. What is this? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay, that is equal to 2. Either you can add like this, BC plus CD plus DE plus EB. In this way also you can do. Both gives the same result. 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. What is the length here? This is the length. So 2, 3 by 4. This both length will be the same. Plus this is the breadth. That is 7 by 6. Okay. So that is equal to 2 multiplied by 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Now here the denominators are different, 4 and 6. 2 to 4. So LCM is 12. Okay, now instead of this 11 by 4, I can write 4 multiplied by 3 and 11 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 33 divided by 12. And for 7 by 6, that is equal to 6 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 2, so 14. So perimeter of BCDE, that is equal to 2 multiplied by, you should not forget this 2 multiplied by, instead of 11 by 4 I can write 33 by 12 plus, for 7 by 6 I can write 14 by 12, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 47 by 2 multiplied by 33 plus 14 is 47 by 12. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 47 by 6 centimeter, that is equal to 7 5 by 6 centimeter. Next problem is Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Okay, the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So consider this this whole thing is the picture. Okay, this whole thing is the picture. So this is, how much is this? The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter is wide. Okay, to fit into the frame, so I want to put this picture inside this smaller frame. The width of the frame here is, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so I want to minimize this picture to this. So to this I want to cut this remaining thing. So I have to subtract 7, I have to do 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10 centimeter. So width of the picture, so width of the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter. So frame width is, but the frame is only 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay, the picture cannot be more than that. So width to be trimmed. So out of this this portion should be trimmed off. So 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. Okay, so this is a mixed fraction, that is 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Now we have to take LCM, that is 10. 5, 10, LCM is 10. So 38 by 5 you can write as 5 multiplied by 2, here it is 10, 38 multiplied by 2 is 76. So here instead of 38 by 5 I can write 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. 73 by 10, that is equal to 3 by 10. Okay, how much should the picture be trimmed off? So the picture be trimmed, the width to be trimmed is that is equal to 3 by 10 centimeter. Ritu eat 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the largest share? By how much? Okay, so Ritu eat 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Let me draw something. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, out of this Ritu ate 3 by 5 part. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of the apple. Part of apple Ritu ate, that is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, what is the remaining part? What is the remaining part? Here we can see this and this are the remaining part. From this from the figure you can directly write 2 by 5, but I will tell how to derive it. So you have to do, what is the whole part represent? The whole part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole, that is equal to, what is the whole is 1 or 5 by 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally there are 5 parts. So the whole apple is represented as 1 or 5 divided by 5. So 5 by 5 minus part of the apple Ritu eat is 3 by 5. That is equal to 5 minus 3 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, if you draw a picture like this, you can easily say, so this 3 part out of this total 5, 3 parts are eaten by Ritu, the remaining is only 2 part. So Somu had this 2 parts of 2 by 5. So another way to do the same thing is, so out of this the whole thing can be represented as either 1 which is equivalent to 5 by 5. The 5 is coming from this denominator. Okay, so this is out of this whole, either it is 1 minus 3 by 5 or 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Okay, here the denominator are same, so 5 minus 3 is 2 by 5. Now you see who had the largest share. Okay, so here it is 3 part. So Ritu ate how much? 3 by 5 of an apple. Okay, next is Somu ate 2 by 5 of an apple. Okay, now who had the largest share is Ritu. So Ritu had the largest share. Ritu had the largest share. Now by how much? So comparing this, Ritu had largest share by, here it is 3, here it is 2. So by how much he had the largest share? Ritu share is more by how much? You have to subtract this. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, so Ritu had 1 by 5 share more when compared to Somu share. The last problem is Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Thus we have to compare these two fractions. So time taken by Michael is 7 by 12, time taken by Vaibhav is 3 by 4. Denominators are different, so we can't compare directly. To make it same, take LCM. So LCM is 12. So 3 by 4 I can write as 4 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9 by 12. So instead of this 3 by 4 I can write 9 by 12 hour. Now you see 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. Who worked for longer? That Vaibhav worked for longer time. Therefore Vaibhav worked longer. Okay, now by what fraction was it longer? So by what fraction was it longer means we have to say that is equal to, here it is 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. Okay, the difference is, that is 9 by 7, 2 by 12, that is equal to 1 by 6. We can say difference. Okay, by what fraction it is longer? It was longer by 1 by 6 hours. Okay, so by this we are completing this exercise 2.1. From next class we will start with exercise 2.2. Thank you.